Imagine standing on a train as it speeds toward the horizon. From your perspective, the world outside blurs and shifts, while inside, you feel steady and grounded. This paradox of motion is at the heart of Albert Einstein's groundbreaking work, Relativity, the special and general theory. Einstein reshaped humanity's understanding of space, time, and gravity by showing that these concepts are not fixed but intertwined, relative to the observer. His book, a masterwork of scientific clarity, brings readers into the revolutionary world of relativity with an approachable explanation of its core principles. The essence, 80-20. 1. The principle of relativity. Einstein begins with the idea that the laws of physics are the same for all observers in uniform motion. This principle challenges classical mechanics by emphasizing that no frame of reference is privileged. It sets the stage for understanding how motion, time, and space are interconnected. 2. The speed of light as a constant. A cornerstone of special relativity is that the speed of light is constant for all observers, regardless of their motion. This revelation leads to profound consequences, including time dilation, moving clocks tick slower, and length contraction, moving objects shorten along the direction of motion. 3. MC2 energy and mass are shown to be interchangeable, encapsulated in the famous equation MC2E equals MC2E MC2. This concept underpins modern nuclear physics and highlights the enormous energy stored within matter. 4. General relativity and gravity. In general relativity, Einstein redefines gravity not as a force, but as the curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. This elegant framework explains phenomena such as the bending of light by gravity, gravitational lensing, and the precession of Mercury's orbit. 5. Experimental validation. Einstein emphasizes the importance of testing theory through experiment. Predictions of relativity, like the bending of starlight observed during eclipses, provided critical evidence supporting his work. The action plan. Step 1. Understand frames of reference, visualize and study simple examples of relative motion, such as how a passenger on a train perceives stationary objects outside. Use these examples to internalize the principle of relativity. Step 2. Grasp key consequences. Explore how light's constant speed impacts perceptions of time and space. Engage with thought experiments like the twin paradox to deepen understanding of time dilation. Step 3. Explore mass-energy equivalence. Learn how MC2E equals MC2E MC2 translates to real-world applications, such as nuclear energy. Study the practical implications of this relationship in modern physics. Step 4. Study general relativity in action. Investigate real-world examples, such as GPS satellites, that require adjustments for time dilation due to both special and general relativity. Relate the curvature of space-time to gravitational effects observed on Earth. Step 5. Follow experimental evidence. Read about landmark experiments that confirmed Einstein's predictions, from eclipse observations to the detection of gravitational waves. Understanding the role of evidence strengthens the appreciation of relativity. Blind spot. A common misconception is viewing relativity as abstract or detached from reality. In truth, its principles govern technologies we use daily, such as GPS navigation. Additionally, relativity does not replace Newtonian mechanics, but extends its applicability to extreme conditions like high speeds or strong gravitational fields. Understanding where classical physics still applies prevents misapplication of Einstein's theories. Connected knowledge. Books. Stephen Hawking's A Brief History of Time provides a deeper dive into space-time concepts. Kip Thorne's Black Holes and Time Warps offers an engaging look at relativity's implications. Topics. Quantum mechanics complements relativity by explaining phenomena at the smallest scales, though reconciling the two remains a challenge. History. Learn about the Michelson-Morley experiment, which disproved the existence of ether and paved the way for Einstein's ideas.